Welcome back to the channel, Autoland. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Honda Accord EXL, a car that continues to set the standard for midsize sedans with its perfect blend of style, comfort, and technology. If you're looking for a ride that's smooth, powerful, and packed with premium features without breaking the bank, the new Accord EXL might just be your perfect match. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Accord EXL carries forward Honda's modern, sophisticated design language. The front end features a bold new grille with a refined chrome finish, slim LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a sporty yet elegant presence on the road. The clean body lines and aerodynamic profile aren't just for looks, they help improve fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Riding on stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, the EXL has a premium stance that demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord EXL is powered by a responsive 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It produces a smooth 192 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that offers seamless power delivery and excellent fuel economy. Whether you're commuting through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Accord EXL offers a confident, composed drive, with agile handling and a comfortable ride that absorbs bumps and rough roads with ease. Stepping inside, the 2025 Accord EXL treats you to a truly upscale experience. Premium leather-trimmed seats come standard, offering both comfort and elegance. The front seats are power adjustable and heated, making every drive a relaxing one, even on colder days. The spacious cabin offers plenty of room for both front and rear passengers, with excellent legroom and headroom. High-quality materials are used throughout, and thoughtful touches like soft touch surfaces, wood grain accents, and ambient lighting add to the luxurious feel. The technology inside the Accord EXL is equally impressive. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the centerpiece of the dash, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google services, navigation, and an intuitive user interface that makes it easy to stay connected. The 10-speaker premium audio system delivers rich, crystal-clear sound, perfect for music lovers who want to enjoy every beat of their favorite songs. You'll also find a wireless phone charger, USB-C ports, and a customizable digital driver display that keeps key information right in your line of sight. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the 2025 Accord EXL is loaded with the latest Honda sensing suite of driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, and a new low-speed braking control feature. With these advanced systems working in the background, you can drive with greater confidence and peace of mind, knowing you're well protected. Another standout feature of the 2025 Accord EXL is its commitment to comfort and convenience. Features like a one-touch power moonroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, smart entry with walk-away auto lock, and remote engine start all come standard, making daily driving more effortless and enjoyable. The trunk space is generous as well, offering plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or whatever else you need to carry, and the rear seats fold down to provide even more flexibility when needed. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the Accord. Thanks to the efficient turbocharged engine and aerodynamic design, the EXL offers impressive gas mileage, making it a smart choice for both city commuters and long-distance travelers. Honda's reputation for reliability and low cost of ownership adds even more value to this already well-rounded sedan. Overall, the 2025 Honda Accord EXL is a brilliant combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. It's designed for drivers who want a little bit of everything: style, comfort, technology, and reliability. Honda has once again raised the bar for the midsize sedan segment, and the Accord EXL stands tall among its competitors. If you're in the market for a refined, well-equipped sedan that you'll love driving every day, the 2025 Accord EXL should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching today's video on Autoland. If you enjoyed this walkaround and review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome car content. We have a lot more exciting vehicles coming your way. This is Autoland, and I'll see you in the next video.